In this video, I'm going to show you how to search the ColorMyLife catalog. When you click the plus button at the bottom of the screen, you can either scan the barcode or you can search the barcode catalog, or you can add the item manually, of course. So when you click that, type in the text you want. So I'm going to type in something that I know is in the Lawn Fawn catalog because there's a lot of material of theirs in there. So I typed in the word autumn, and then I just wait until it shows up. Now this is showing up all manufacturers, not just Lawn Fawn. But I'm looking at the You Autumn No stamp set, so that would be at the very bottom. Instead of scrolling all the way down for that, I'm going to go and click manufacturers, and I'm going to find Lawn Fawn. There are a lot of products in here. So here's Lawn Fawn. I'm going to check that box, and now you'll see everything that has the word autumn in it from Lawn Fawn. And you can see here's the You Autumn No stamp set. So for the web version, in the app, when you tap the plus button, you can choose add item, and then you can either scan the barcode or tap the search button, and again the same thing. I'm going to type in the word autumn and search, and then I'm going to tap filter. I'm going to go by manufacturer all the way down to Lawn Fawn. Tap that checkbox, tap apply, and now it's displaying those items. And if I choose You Autumn No, it tells me that I already have it entered. I don't want to enter it again, so I'm just going to cancel out of here. But that's how you search the catalog.